happening, people? This is Prajit here with yet another vlog. I hope you guys loved the coffee B-roll which I did, the coffee shots which I actually took. If you guys do like it, please click on that like button. It will be a motivation for me to do more creative videos like these. So today's vlog is about the cost I've incurred for buying my motorcycle, the accessories post that, the maintenance post that, all of that together. What is the total cost I've incurred in past 1 year, 2 months approximately. So it's been 1 year, 2 months since I bought my motorcycle, and the costs involved, I would like to tell you guys all of that. This vlog will actually help those people who are actually looking at buying a Harley Davidson. Some people would be like, okay, I have this much budget, but you have to plan for the expenses after buying the motorcycle as well, because buying is just nothing. It's all about maintaining a motorcycle at the end of the day. So to start with the expenses, obviously the first one will be my motorcycle cost. It costed me 13,41,000 on road Mumbai, and which included the duties, taxes and insurance and all of that. Once you purchase, you have few things which you need to look at, which are the basic accessories. The first basic accessory would be the engine guard, which is also called the crash guard. So if you actually fall by any chance, you shouldn't, but if you do by any chance, your motorcycle should be protected, your engine should be protected. So for that, the guard which is there, that costed me approximately 18,000 rupees. So that's the first cost. The second cost is the fuel cap. Harley Davidsons, when you get the motorcycle, especially my motorcycle I can talk about, there is no lock on the fuel cap. So you have to purchase another fuel cap, which was worth 5,000 rupees. And so that's the second one. There is absolutely no backrest. You do not receive a backrest, so that for the pillion. I'm not talking about the rider backrest. I'm talking about the pillion backrest. When a pillion sits behind you, he or she needs some kind of support behind, because it's Harley Davidson. It's a sports bike. It has massive power, and at the moment you throttle, the person might end up just going behind and falling down. So to have a better safety, it's very important for you to have a backrest. So that actually is very expensive in Harley Davidson. So I didn't think of going for Harley Davidson backrest. I made a custom backrest, which is a 2-in-1 backrest. I'll put the card over here. Please watch this vlog where I've done the customization for my backrest. So if you guys love it, you guys can go there. The place is in Thane. He does a really good job in terms of customization. So that's part of backrest, and that backrest altogether, 2-in-1 backrest, costed me 20,000 rupees, like 500 rupees up and down here and there. Then you have the auxiliary lights, which are your headlights from what you get from Harley Davidson. It doesn't make sense, honestly. Not that it's bad, but it's not enough. When there are no street lights, at that point of time you really need to have the auxiliary lights with you. So auxiliary lights are something which you need to buy from different vendors or something, where there are different brands. There's Clearwater. There are different kind of brands. I bought the Road Blaze one, which costed me around 12,000 rupees with fitment. So I actually got that. Post that, the horn, right? Such a big bike. If you actually want to honk, and especially in India, sometimes you have to honk. I am completely against honking, but there are times when you have to honk. There is something always on the road. So in case you need that kind of a horn, Harley Davidson horns are, I will not recommend to have that horn. You need a better horn. So I changed that horn as well, which approximately cost me 1,500 rupees. It's a Bosch horn which I actually got. These are the basic accessories which you need, right, for riding, at least at the start. So post these basic accessories comes the first service. Now during the first service, you have to incur basic costs, which is like a filter, air filter, and engine oil, and a lot of few different things here and there. That costed me 10,000 rupees. yeah, I changed that, and at the same time I actually went to the showroom and I also extended my warranty. You usually get a warranty of 3 years. The extended warranty would be for 5 years. So 3 plus 2 is what you actually get. That actually costed me approximately 23,000 rupees. Harley Davidson, I'll always, it's a recommendation, it's a suggestion. Please, please, please go for the extended warranty because Harley Davidson parts are super expensive. It is always better to go for a warranty so that in case something happens, right, to your motorcycle, it will be done for free. So that's always better to go for an extended warranty. After a while, I had gone for a lot of rides basically, and there's a vlog where I was coming from the South Indian trip of 4,000 kilometers. While I was coming back, my tire got ripped completely. So that was approximately around 9.5 to 10,000 kilometers. When I was reaching 10,000 kilometers, my tire got completely ripped and I had to change the tire. The back tire was completely gone. The front tire, I could have gone another 500, 600, 2,000 kilometers approximately. But yes, I thought of changing both together, 5 to 1 at a time. So I went ahead, changed that. The rear tire costed me 19,000 rupees, which is Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2. So that costed me 19,000, and the front tire costed me 13,000 rupees, which is again a Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2. And those are amazing tires. There's another vlog on tire as well, which you can actually see the kind of tire you must choose according to your riding style. So please click on the card. It will be very helpful for you. After that came the second service. So post changing tires, when I clocked 11,000 kilometers, it was time for me for the second service. Now I went ahead, did the second service. I had to change the brake pad and things here and there, which were very small. All of that costed me. I changed both the brake pads, like front and back, both of them. It costed me with the service. It costed me 30,000 rupees. That was pretty expensive, but yes, 30,000 rupees, something which it costed me. So April 2020, it was time for me to renew my HOG membership. HOG is Harley Owners Group membership. The first year is usually free because you just purchased the bike, so they give it to you free. The second year onwards, you have to pay 7,000 rupees. There's also a scheme for a lifetime membership, but I was looking at going year by year, so I didn't take the lifetime membership. I went for the yearly membership for 7,000 rupees, and then also the insurance, right? Insurance is usually valid for 1 year. Comprehensive part is valid for 1 year. The third party is valid for 5 years. So I'd already paid for third party for total of 5 years. Only thing which was left for me was the comprehensive part, which I paid 28,000 rupees in April 2020. So yes, so those were the total expenses which I had to incur. These were the basic expenses which I'm talking about. Other than this, there is this fuel cost which I haven't included here because again, it depends on different riders. How many kilometers are you guys riding in a year? What I can tell you is it will cost you around the average of a Harley Davidson Roadster is around 15 kilometers per liter. Inside city, it reduces sometimes. So this is the average cost will come down to. So yes, I mean you can calculate accordingly how much are you planning to ride in a year. So that is something which I leave it up to you guys. That's it for today. I thought of giving you guys this information about the expenses which usually come with a Harley Davidson. But trust me, it's worth it. Worth buying a Harley Davidson, worth riding it, worth meeting a lot of people from Harley Owners Group. It is an incredible machine, guys. Trust me, just go for it. There is, even if you found this a little negative in terms of expenses, don't take it in a negative manner because there are a lot of positives about Harley Davidson, which I will come to in the future vlogs for sure. I am planning to do a vlog more about the positives of Harley Davidson as well. So please wait for that vlog. And if you guys like this video, if you guys like the coffee shots and the expenses I've told you about, please click on that like button, because यहाँ तक देख करके मैं नहीं चाहता आप लोग बिना लाइक किए जाए, एंड कमेंट भी कीजिए आपको कैसा लगा ये पूरा vlog. Thank you so much. Love you guys.